Welcome back, guys. In this video, we're going to get started on final prep for this block to go ahead and get some paint on it. We're not doing a professional paint job. We're just getting it on here to prevent some of the rust. job done. There's a little bit more to do. The front cover needs to get painted. I said I wasn't going to do it, but this turned out so good that I'm definitely going to do it. Now, you may have noticed I didn't mask off the manifolds or the valve covers or any of that stuff. That's because all that's going to get replaced or at least prepped and taken off and painted that way. I just wanted to keep these on here so the paint didn't go where it wasn't supposed to. But it turned out really good. I did a lot of research online, and a lot of folks had used this product and had great results, even some in this direct application. So I ended up using Rust-Oleum Rusty Metal Primer and Rust-Oleum Gray Implement Paint. This is their gloss version, and it turned out pretty amazing. The only downside to it is it takes a really long time to dry or cure, or whatever you want to call it. Whereas the Rusty Metal Primer, that cured in like not even a day. It was really quick. And the coverage on it was a lot better too. Like it went much further. And actually, honestly, if the Rusty Metal Primer had been gray, I probably would have just stopped there. This turned out really good. I'm very pleased with it. Hopefully it stands the test of time, and it will make leaks a lot easier to spot and way easier to clean up now that it's got a nice paint job on the engine. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.